In front of me is Redmi Note 15 and today I would like to show you how you can change this device's theme. Start by opening Themes app and looking for a perfect theme for you by selecting Themes at the top. Clicking on Categories at the bottom to select one of those. Tapping on the search bar and typing in whatever you want to. Or simply scrolling down until you see anything you like. Either way, when you find your perfect theme, you can either buy it or select one of the free ones. Click on Download button and then apply one. But if you, for example, don't want to change your icons, hit Customize, select Icons and then tap on Apply to only change lock screen, home screen and system. I will go with all of them though, so when I click and go back, I can see that theme of my device has changed. If you wish to go back to your default theme or any other downloaded one, go back to Themes app, then go back to main screen of it, with all of those options at the bottom and hit My Account at the bottom right one. Select Themes at the top, click on the one you wanna apply and hit Apply button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!